So Kapal Randhra Dhauti, it is a cleansing practice. And it is all about cleansing the sinuses within the forehead and also relaxing the muscles of the forehead. So when we say brain, it is not only about the organ inside. We also want to have a good surrounding so that the brain is well relaxed. And what better way to relax it than the forehead? So we are going to do this practice. Kapal. Kapal means forehead. Randhra is the action of rubbing. And Dhauti is the action of cleansing. So when we do this practice, not only it cleanses our sinuses, but it also helps us empty the mind, relax the muscles around the head, and in the process, clear the mind of unwanted thoughts. So how we are going to do this? You're going to use the right hand thumb and just at the center of the eyebrows, move the thumb up and down nicely. Lightly move the thumb up and down. Feel that rubbing movement, the randhra, as you move it up and down. You can do the action slowly, no need to do it very vigorously. And feel the relaxing touch as you move it both up as well as down. Now just let go of the hand. Feel the effect. This is also a very good practice to activate our Ajna chakra. Now we are going to use 3 fingers, the index, the middle and the ring finger. And with these 3 fingers, we make a circular movement at our temples on either side of the eyebrow center. So it's a good circular movement in opposite directions. Slowly, circularly, just let your hands move. Now in the opposite direction. Feel the light pressure on the forehead. It needn't be too much. A very light pressure will also give you a very good relaxing effect. Make sure that your forehead is relaxed when you're doing the practice. Complete this practice. And now, same 3 fingers we use at the temples, the side temples. Just move them circularly in a circular motion. Keep relaxing the forehead, keep relaxing the muscles of the head. See that your shoulders are relaxed. Now move in the opposite direction. Ideally, 5 to 6 circular motions in each direction are very good. Just complete the practice, close your eyes. Feel the after effects of this light pressure at various points on the forehead, on the temples. And gently open your eyes. So this was the practice of Kapal Randhra Dhauti. And this light rubbing movement, it just helps you relax, release stress, also helps clear your sinuses in the process. And most importantly, it helps us clear our thoughts. So if we want to fill our mind with creative ideas, with new thoughts, it's also important to first clear the existing thoughts within. And when we do that, then the mind is ready and fresh to fill in new thoughts.